Hey y'all, it's July 10th, 2026. Just getting off work for the day. Actually, I've been off work for about maybe 2 hours. Uh, as you know, I have been building, hydro dipping some paintings um, for my friends Jeremy and Reichel. Uh, my friend Jeremy has a custom hat making business that he's been doing, and he goes by the name HumBlunt. He's on TikTok, and I'm pretty happy with the way his painting has turned out. I have to get a couple letters for his wife's painting, and I'm going to do something fancy for it, for hers, because there's only going to be 4 letters on hers, and I think it's going to fit her perfectly. But with only 4 letters and just the mask, I don't know. We'll see. I might get some big fancy letters. It might make all the difference. But I'm going to take you in here to the house. I just now, about 2 minutes ago, poured the epoxy acrylic, which I use my own special blend of epoxy, parts A and B, and I add a little something to that epoxy to give it some shimmer in the sunlight or in the light, you know. If it's under fluorescent light or LED lighting, it shimmers real good. But I'm just out here smoking a cigarette. If you guys like what you see, you can hit me up at any time. This is going to be my little side hustle, these little paintings. You can hit me up anytime. Just comment on this video or any of my TikTok videos. You can also comment on any of my Facebook videos. Just shoot me a comment, say, hey bud, I'm interested in one of those paintings, and leave me either your email or your contact info. Somehow I can reply to your message or whatever, and I will get back to you. And they're all unique. These paintings are all unique because they're hydro dipped. I cannot make another painting like the one that I would make for you. They're original, and I think they're pretty cool. Like I said, the painting the hydro dip painting that I just made for my buddy HumBlunt, it's for the back of his shop. You know, he can hang it in the back of his shop, and it represents his custom hat making business. He said he wanted it in patriotic colors with hints of orange and black because he's a San Francisco Giants fan. So I think I hit the mark with it. Let me go ahead and put this cigarette out. All right, put this cigarette out. We'll go in the room here. I got to be kind of quiet because my partner's sleeping. We'll go in here and check this painting out. Like I said, I just poured the epoxy over it. Here we go. Yeah, kind of cool, huh? figured I'd post this on the TikTok. Like I said, if anybody wants one, just hit me up in the comments or whatever. Just give me it costs like maybe between $8 and $15 to make the painting. I just want like $5 or $10 for my time, and of course you'll have to pay for the shipping. I'm gonna find out exactly how much it costs to ship, because I'm gonna be shipping this one to California. I'm in Las Vegas, so if you're local in the Las Vegas area, I can make one of these for you and bring it right to your doorstep for you. Like I said, $20-$30 for the painting. It's all original. There'll never be another one like it. I can make it in any colors you want. I can put any words on it you want. Yeah, hit me up, let me know what you think. God bless everybody.